Today on Savin A Buck we have 1080 HD wireless cameras for security. My wife picked these up about a few weeks ago. We're going to open them up, check them out. They're not top of the line, but we're going to see what they look like and see how they work. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Let's open this little box up. Be careful not to cut yourself. Put our knife up. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Maybe I didn't cut it. Childproof. Alright. Wow. Cardboard. Lots of. I might have to tip it over. Ooh, just like Christmas. Alright, so these are going to have built-in spotlights, secured connections with your wiring. It is hardwired. And you'll be able to put it on your phone and it'll give you updates when you have movement or something on your phone. So let's see what's all in this box. Cables. Looks like wall chargers. A mouse. So evidently you can use it as a to get into the system. 4-way leads for your cameras. This will be our box, our main box. It's got a hard drive and where it'll be doing all the hard work for us, recording. Right there. Oh, look at there, we got our own security sticker that we can put on with that. How cool is that? Oh, and more. I'm about to throw them away. We have more stickers. Okay, so that's that box. Let's see what's in the next tray here. Cameras. Ooh, best part. Cameras. We're putting cameras up because, well, nowadays it's just for our own security. You never know. These cameras look pretty nice. They're night owls. We have the long cords so we can run, I think they're 60 feet long. Make long runs if we need to, short runs if we need to. More cameras. We got the mounting screws for each camera in there. So we got 4 cameras, 4 wires, rolls, and the system. So what we're going to do now is look through our little book, see what everything goes to, and then we're going to start installing. That's my guard dog anyway. She's on duty. Checking this system out. Night owl. This is for your cameras, your HDMI, your audio in and out, all of our USBs, and our power right here. We're going to be hooking this up and checking it out. It's a night, like I said, it's a night owl system. It's not real expensive. It's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive. And we've got a Swan system already, but it's our second Swan system, and it's about to die on us. And we're going to try to do and get this one up and running and see how it works out. All right, guys, it's cold out here. I'm in this big green coat, but I'll show you what we're doing here. We've got the cameras mounted up here. I had to pull off some trim work on my garage, but right here each one of these is labeled. One goes to the camera side and one's going to go to the DVR. So we'll get it plugged in here and okay, that's what it looks like after it's been mounted in the trim. So we'll just have to adjust it and then see how they work. Now we got the wires running down and into the back of the thing here. Got it all hooked up, and now we'll see what it looks like on the screen. Okay, so we got all 4 cameras working, and now we got a setup wizard. So we'll go from there and set it up, and then adjust our cameras outside for the way we want them to look. Got it all set up now. It looks like a pretty good picture on all 4 cameras. If you like this video, please push the like button and the subscribe button down below, and hopefully we'll have more and better videos to come. Thank you.